Hello and welcome to the MyBartender Guide to Making a Whiskey Smash. If you enjoyed the content of this video and would like to see more bartending recipes and info, make sure to like and subscribe. The Whiskey Smash is a classic cocktail dating back to the 1800s in the same family as the mint julep and whiskey sour. You'll need 3 lemon wedges, bourbon, simple syrup, and mint leaves. Begin by muddling 3 lemon wedges. Add 3 to 4 mint leaves. Add 2 ounces of bourbon. Add 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. Add ice and shake. Strain over ice into a whiskey glass. And finally, garnish with a mint sprig. For bonus points, clap the mint sprig on the back of your hand to release the aromatic oils. And there you have it, a perfect whiskey smash. Cheers.